From WHO 13 News, the local news leader. This is WHO 13 News at 10.
The hailstorm hit the metro more than 2 weeks ago. Now, some drivers have been stuck with dented up cars ever since.
They're inundated, they're backed up. I know some of the repair shops have been quoting November and later.
Well, not everyone is able to wait that long. Let's be honest. Good evening, I'm Elias Johnson.
It's been rough. I'm Justin Cerncy. Many homeowners are still working with contractors to have roofs replaced just because of all that hail damage.
Now, getting a car repaired has not been easy with so many people needing it. In order to meet the huge demand, several pop-ups, maybe you've seen them, have gone up near the Valley West Mall. That's one of the hardest hit areas from the August 19th storm. From small dings to deep dents, they fix it all. Some jobs may take up to 2 weeks to fix. Labor Day doesn't mean a day off for the hail damage repair technicians.
This is like 6 months worth of work for everybody. I mean, the body shops are backed up. I think the nearest appointment I heard was one of the local shops was 3 months before they could even get in. So I'm about 3 to 4 weeks out on all my stuff right now.
Bill Schultz with Discount Dent says it's very important for customers needing a fix to start the insurance claim process, then get the approved estimate from your insurance carrier before you ever show up to get the fix. In some cases, damage estimates are as high as $20,000. They plan to spend at least the rest of this year in the metro, possibly into the spring before they head back to home base in Florida.